Ladies and gentlemen, we are on the quarterfinals and the stakes have never been higher. Two teams, one shot, no second chances. It's win or go home as the ultimate underdogs. The Genesis Roaring Lions clash against the top 1 seed for the juniors division. We have the NCF Tigers. Good day, Bicolania, and welcome to the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium, where the intensity of the quarterfinal is about to take over. I am Jasper Abante. Beside me is Rick Puerta, and we are thrilled to be bringing you this hottest quarterfinal knockout match.
Ayan, talagang masiksik or magandang aksyon ang matutunghayan natin dito sa araw na ito. Again, nabanggit mo kanina, it's the NCF Cubs versus the Genesis Roaring Lions. So a little bit of pressure on both sides because on the side of the NCF Tigers, they want to maintain their spot dito sa ating liga and get their position or spot on our Final Four. On the other side of things, this Genesis Roaring Lion, underdogs kung ituring dito sa ating Bucal Season 6. But again, nasa quarterfinals na po sila. So this is a big milestone or big achievement on the side of their team. So let's see kung maganda ba ang ipapakita dito ng Genesis Roaring Lion para matalo dito or makuha ang first spot nila sa ating semifinals round. So again, live na live po tayo sa Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium, and also naka-live po tayo sa ating mga Facebook pages. We have Bucal Facebook page, Oragon Sports TV, and 1 Media TV 48 Naga. And of course, sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe and tune in sa ating YouTube channel, we have 1 Media TV 48 Naga para lagi tayong updated sa mga masiksik na action dito sa Bucal Season 6.
Ayun na nga, Rick. At kung sino man yung mananalo dito sa ating first game this morning ay makakalaban yung ating, it's either the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights or the Daraga National High School na magbabakbakan din after this game, and they will be moving forward sa ating semifinals. Ayan, so it's either the Ateneo de Naga or the Daraga National High School yung makakatapat nila sa ating semifinals kung sino man yung team na mananalo dito sa ating first game this Saturday. And of course, let's see kung ano yung mga inihanda nilang performances, especially yung ating Genesis Roaring Lions, the ultimate underdogs for this season, dahil they are new team dito sa ating Bucal Season 6, and look how far they've got, Rick. Nakaabot na sila dito sa ating quarterfinals, and they have the chance to upset the top 1 for the juniors division, which is the NCF Tigers, and they also have that chance na makapasok sa ating finals if they got that win from the NCF and then move on to the semis. And later on, we'll determine kung anong team yung makakalaban nila. Will it be the Daraga National High School or the Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights?
So talagang kaabang-abang dito ang ating bakbakan sa Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium. And to hear on the side of the Genesis Roaring Lions together with their head coach, let's call our courtside reporter Casey. Hi Casey, kumusta? Anong balita sa inyong team?
Thank you, Rick and Jasper. Basketball fans, the moment we've all been waiting for is here. It's the quarterfinal round and the knockout game of Bucal Season 6. Now, it's not just a game, it's a battlefield where the top-seeded NCF Cubs face the relentless Genesis Roaring Lions in a fight for survival. The question isn't just about who will win, but who will rise above the pressure, the odds, and the roar of this quarterfinal storm. It's a do-or-die match at siguradong ibubuhos ng parehong teams ang lahat ng kanilang lakas at puso sa hardcourt. This is Casey Anchocchia reporting on the side of Genesis Roaring Lions. And joining me now is Coach Alden of the Roaring Lions to hear about the team's preparation. And now, Coach, you're up against the top seed today. How have you prepared your team for this high-stakes match?
Sabi mo nga niyan, top seed sila, top 1 sila. Siguro talagang malakas tong team na to kasi alam naman natin, champion talaga to palagi. Pero sabi ko nga niyan sa mga players ko, gagawin natin lahat. Nag-prepare kami ng whole week. Sabi ko, walang malaki, walang top 1. Kaya naman natin to labanan. Basta sabi nga namin, sana mag-click yung ginawa naming game plan. Yun lang po.
So ayun na nga coach, nabanggit mo po yung players mo. So ano po yung message na sinabi mo sa kanila para ma-keep yung confidence nila for this game?
Sabi ko nga dyan, ma'am, sabi ko nga sa kanila, players, wag niyong isipin na malaki sila, top 1 sila. Ang basketball is same lang tayo, same lang. Kaya naman natin lahat itagusto eh. Basta tulungan lang kami. And then sabi ko nga sa kanila, play smart, play hard, and never give up sa laro. Mananalo kami dito.
So ngayon naman coach, ano po yung message mo sa fans and supporters ng Genesis Roaring Lions?
Sa lahat ng mga supporters, mas lalo na sa boss ko na si Boss Abet, Genesis and si Madam Doc. Salamat po sa suporta sa amin. And then sa lahat ng mga supporters ng Genesis po, sana manood kayo. Sana gawin natin lahat para matulungan yung team namin sa ngayong nalaban na top 1 and top 8 dito sa quarterfinals.
Thank you so much, Coach. At ngayon, narinig na natin si Coach Alden of the Roaring Lions. Handa na ang Genesis Roaring Lions na ipakita ang kanilang lakas at puso sa laban na ito. So stay tuned as we witness an intense battle right here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Casey, for that update on the side of the Genesis Roaring Lions. And ayun na nga, nakapanayam niya doon si Coach Alden, the head coach of the Roaring Lions. And this time naman, let's hear an update from our courtside reporter, Kyla. And let's see kung sino rin yung kanyang kasama on the courtside. Ayan, Kyla, take it away.
Thank you, Jasper and Rick. Good morning, Bicolana, and to all our basketball fans who are watching us live via One Media, TV48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV. We are now on the quarter-final round. Genesis Roaring Lions versus the NCF Cubs. Ako po, si Kyla Casulia, at ako ang inyong makakasama on the side of Naga College Foundation Cubs. To know their preparations for this game, we have their head coach, Coach Alwin Margalio. Coach, good morning, Coach. Grabe, ito na ang inaantay na port natin, ang quarter-final round. Knockout round, Coach. Kwentuhan nyo naman kami. Ano ba ang naging preparasyon nyo for this game against the Genesis Roaring Lions?
Yung pinagandaan namin sa Genesis is yung conditioning ng mga kalaban kasi all throughout ng season talagang takbuhan sila ng takbuhan. So kami naman, nag-double effort kami sa conditioning din, and nag-ensayo talaga kami morning and evening kasi sabi ko ilang days na lang matatapos na lang yung Bucal. Then sabi ko sakripisyon na lang natin yung panahon na natitira para makaabot sa championship.
Coach, dahil nga matinding laban to, ano ba yung important reminders nyo sa players na alam nyong makakatulong sa kanila for this game?
Sabi ko sa kanila, yung analysis sa kanila yung sabi ko walang star players. Let's play as a team and ulit-ulit sinasabi sa nila na maging unselfish tayo sa pagdating sa bola. Bigay kung may libre, bigay lang. Kung may nauna, bigay. At least pag open, tira. Yan lang naman eh.
And Coach, please invite our viewers to support you and your team.
We're inviting all the Bicolanos and syempre sa Naga College Foundation, sa mga student and sa faculty na please support our team na makaabot tayo ng final.
Thank you so much, Coach, and good luck. There you have it. That is Coach Alwin Margalio, the head coach of Naga College Foundation Cubs. Yan muna ang update for now. Balik sa inyo, Jasper and Rick.
And thank you so much for that update, Kyla. So napakinggan nga natin dito si Coach Alwin na talagang walang superstar at pantay-pantay tayo dito. Ang kailangan nilang gawin is dapat mag-perform sila ng maganda dito sa knockout match against the Genesis Roaring Lions. So yun po, in a few minutes magsisimula na ang pinaka-inaabangang bakbakan between the Roaring Lions and the NCF Cubs.
And as we can see, Rick, dito sa ating Ateneo de Sta University Gymnasium, patuloy yung pagdami ng ating audiences dito. And as we can see, marami pa yung nakapila sa labas para matunghayan itong knockout match, this quarterfinals. And at this point, our officials is now introducing the first 5 on the side of the Tigers or the Cubs. Ayan, at syempre, Rick, hindi rin tayo papabayaan ng ating mga team bahay dahil for sure tutunghayan nila yung mga plays na ipapakita nitong dalawang teams na ito this morning. Kaya shoutout po sa lahat ng team bahay natin, yung mga hindi nakadalo dito sa ating Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium. And on the other side naman, the Genesis Roaring Lions now introducing the first 5 for this ball game.
Now, as you can see on our screen, first 5 for both teams natawag na, and again, magsisimula na po ang first quarter ng dalawang kupunan na ito.
And ayun na nga na-mention kanina ni Coach Alwin, yung kanilang conditioning pagdating dun sa fast pace nitong ating Genesis Roaring Lions. Well, let's see kung paano nila to ika-counter. And the first ball possession will go on the side of the NCF Cubs. Now, jersey number 23. That is Aike. Now, on the outside.
Aike to Vargas. Fires for that first 3 at unang press para dito kay RD Vargas.
Napakaagang tres coming from the NCF Cubs, and that's the first blood for this ball game. Now, Genesis Roaring Lions naman, Nieva. A good defense coming from the Cubs. Now, Bernales on the side of the Roaring Lions, and maagang whistle dito coming from jersey number 11 of the Cubs.
Genesis to inbound. They need an answer at this moment. Heavily guarded here. And a foul was called on jersey number 9 on the side of the Genesis Roaring Lions. So maagang foul for both teams. Now NCF, Vargas passing the ball to Aike. Diamante taking their time here. Another point conversion on the side of the NCF Cubs. Talagang napakaganda ng simula dito on the side of the NCF Cubs. Tama nga yung sinabi dito ni Coach Alvin na talagang prepared dito ang kanyang kupunan because pinag-aralan nila ang galaw dito ng Genesis Roaring Lions. So the question is, ano ang magiging answer dito on the side of the Genesis if they want to snatch this game against this number 1 sa ating Juniors Division?
5-0 run dito na Monponban, nahihirapan dito. Now Nieva, libreng-libre, jersey number 5, a missed opportunity on the side of the Genesis Roaring Lions. Now let's see, nagmamara dito, Borromeo, well-guarded Borromeo, now to jersey number 12, fighting for 3, getting that triple, courtesy of RD Vargas. Grabe, 8-0 run and an early timeout on the side of the Genesis Roaring Lions. Grabe. Let's take a look once again, Rick. Borromeo with that pass to Vargas and without hesitation getting that triple. Grabe. Our NCF community is going wild dito sa ating bleachers. And an early timeout nga on the side of the Roaring Lions. Let's see kung paano nila ika-counter yung opensa dito ng ating NCF Cubs. And of course, kung paano ipapagpatuloy nitong ating NCF Cubs yung kanilang nasimulang momentum. Grabe, napakaaga, Rick, ng ating bakbakan dito.
Maganda ang gising dito ni Vargas on the side of the NCF Cubs because again, nagpakawala na dito ng dalawang 3 points on the side of the NCF Tigers. And mind you, this is just the first 2 minutes of our first quarter. So talagang impressive on the side of the NCF Cubs. Yun nga, consistency is the key on the side of their team. And again, ano kaya ang magiging adjustment dito ng Genesis Roaring Lion after the timeout called by Coach Alden? Now it's their chance or opportunity.
Now Nieva on the side of the Roaring Lions. And a whistle that is a pushing foul from Vargas of the NCF Cubs. Now, jersey number 27 for the Genesis Roaring Lions, Ganahan. Now on the inside, and Out of bounds as the team ball possession tayo dito for the Genesis Roaring Lions.
And now you've mentioned earlier ganahan on the side of the Roaring Lions. Isa ito sa mga standout player na dapat nating abangan. Again, it's just the first quarter. So, parang warm up lang ito on both teams. Now, back to the ball game. Aike looking for his teammate, passing the ball to his teammate.
Now Aike once again going to the inside without hesitation for the teared up shot. Now Jamante hitting that layup.
Hindi pa yan nakatingin kanina on that last sequence. Now another opportunity on the side of the Genesis Roaring Lion. Again, if you're on the side of the Genesis Roaring Lion, ayaw mo ditong magkaroon ng magandang lead ang NCF because we know how NCF can perform.
Grabe, Aike! Grabe, nakita mo yun, Rick. Hinintay niya munang tumalon doon itong si Bernales before putting that shot. And ayun na nga, may kasabay pa siya ditong foul. Ayan, at makakakuha dito ng 2 free throws itong si Aike on the side of the NCF Cubs. And 10-0 run na itong NCF Cubs dito on the first 2 minutes and 26 seconds ng ating ball game. Grabe.
Now one more time for Aike to add their lead here. And that's good. Double-digit lead para dito sa unang quarter ng ating match. Dahero ipapasok dito on the side of the Genesis Roaring Lions.
And the ball will go on the side of the Genesis Roaring Lions. Now, ganahan to inbound.
Ayan, NCF. Meron ditong full court man-to-man defense. That's why Genesis medyo nahihirapan dito to convert a point.
Now, Dahero to Punsalan. Now, Bernales with that alley-oop game. And that's good. Courtesy of jersey number 27. That is Ryan Ganahan. Napakagandang first blood for the Genesis Roaring Lions, that alley-oop play.
So yun nga, Ganahan. Unang puntos para dito sa kanilang kupunan. So that's the basketball game para dito sa ating araw na ito. Talagang this is quarterfinals. Talagang damang-dama mo dito. Even the ambience of our fans. On my left side, we have the NCF community, and on my right side,